everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be taking some money to the bank. I have a little placeholder because one of my envelopes is past 500. So I want to take that to the bank and then do like a little cash condensing with what I have from here. So the one that has, I think it has over 600 actually, is this Treat Yourself. I have 646 in here, so I'm just gonna take out all these large bills. I'm gonna take out 500, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll be left with 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 145, 146. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna take this little $500 placeholder that I made and put this in here. Okay, and then this I will condense some of the other envelopes that I have. Actually, I'm trying to think. Okay, let me go into my savings first because I have one that's almost another 500 in here. I have a placeholder already in this one for 500, but I think, oh no, I think this one is kind of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 81. Okay, I guess I can condense this a little bit. So 20, 40, 60, 81. I'll just take 100, and then I have 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so I guess that's it. I guess I could do a 10. Yeah. Oh no, I don't have any 10s, so I can't do a 10. So never mind. I'll probably have 10s in a bit, but not quite yet. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 420, 425, 430, 435, 36, 37. Yeah. So that is all good. Okay, I'm gonna go into my other envelopes and then I'll come back to this one, or my other binders, come back to this one. Okay, so let me go in here because this one's the one that's like my long-term binder. So it has some like larger amounts in here that I can hopefully condense. So this one has 212. Actually, I think I want to do Christmas. Christmas should have, yeah, I have 320 in here. Okay, so 1, 2, so 50, 70, 90, 100. 50, 70, 90, 100. Okay, now I have a 10, so that's good. Take 100 here, so now I have 300. I can condense this a little bit more too, I guess. 10, well, I kind of want to keep that 10 though. Actually, I'm sure I'll get another 10. Okay, so I'll just take this 10. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 320, 330. I think that, wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 310, 320. My bad. Okay, so that is Christmas, all done. Registration, I have 150, but I only have 100 left. So I'm gonna keep that one as it is. Auto repair is 130, so that one's good. Furniture is 120. I'm trying to find another one that has a big amount, which maybe I don't have another one. Okay, let me check this one. This one I spend from a lot, so it probably doesn't have super large amounts. Yeah, no. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in here. Sorry, lots of flipping back and forth. I'm trying to get rid of this 100. I guess I can do electronics. This one's kind of thick. All right, so in electronics, I have 130. Oh yeah, I have a bunch of, I'm sorry, I don't have 130. I have 212, my bad. So I should be able to take another 100. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100, lots of 10s. Okay, so that'd be 100. And then I can do a 10 with these 5s. All right, so now I have 100, 200, 210, 211, 212. Yeah, 212 in electronics. Okay, perfect. Auto repair has 130. Okay, I actually condensed this a little bit. So I can do a 20 and a 10. 10. All right, and then I have 100, 20, 130 in auto repair. Furniture has 120. I'm going to keep it as it is because I need to take some money to work to pay off my desk. So I want some, I don't want them. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. And gifts, I think I can condense this just a little bit, but I want to keep this 20. I could do another 20. I want to keep a 10. I guess I can do, I want to keep a couple of 5s too. So I think I'll do these 2 and make it a 10, but I'm going to keep these 5s. Okay. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78. Yeah, 78. Okay. Christmas has, I already did Christmas. Registration has 150. So I guess I could have condensed this a little bit more, but that's okay. So I have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yeah, perfect. So I can do this 50. Okay, so now I have 150. So I definitely want to keep the 50s within like the rotation of this, these binders. Okay, I can do another 50 here. So 20, 30, 40, 50. $50. And then I have 10, 20 and 10. All right, so now an emergency, I have 50, 100, 120, 130. An emergency. And then treat yourself is all good. Okay, so this binder is all done. So now I'm gonna go into here and condense this a little bit. So beauty has 52, so I can definitely do this one, but I don't want to do the, do I want to do the 50? Actually, yeah, because I do plan on buying something that's around like a little over $60, so I think it should be fine. So I'm going to take, so I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And just take this 50 here. Okay. So $52. Disney, do I want to condense? This one's 81. Okay. So I definitely want to make sure I have okay, I'm going to do the reverse of condensing on this one because I'm going to be going to Disney soon. Oh wait, no, I won't have to pay for parking. I was going to make 15, like get a 10 and a 5, actually 2 5s, because I have to pay for parking, but I'm actually going with my sister and she doesn't have to pay for parking, so I think I'm good on that one. Okay, family has 35, so I think that one's good. Home decor has 40, so I could condense this 10, 20. I think I'm just going to do a 20 though, and then keep the 10 and the 2 5s. I think that's good. Holiday decor has 20, so I'm just going to do a $20 bill. Yeah. Costco, okay, I can condense this one. I have a lot of ones. All right, so I have 10, 15, 20. 20, and then the ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 30. Okay, so I'm just gonna do, yeah, I'll just do 10. Okay, so $30. Clothing has 40. So I think I'm just gonna change the 5s. So I have 40. And extra debt is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into savings challenges because I have lots of ones in some of these, so that'll be nice to condense this one. Okay, so in the $1 challenge, like I said, I have a lot of ones. So I'm gonna change these out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I have exactly 20. Just gonna double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so $20. Perfect. Okay. So now I have $50, $70, $90. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, $10 left. Okay, that one's done. Now for the $2 challenge, I already have a 20 and a 10, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I can do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have 20, 30, 35, 36. $3. So 20, 40. Oh, I could do a 50. Okay, so 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yeah. Cool. Because I want to, like I said, I want to keep these 50s if I can. Okay, so that's 50, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So $54 in here. All right, so that one's good. This one, I guess I can do this one too. I think I have like 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, yeah. So do 20. This one I can condense to. This one has 280. All right, so I have 100, 200, 20, 40, 50. Okay, so I got that last 50. 50. And then I have 10, 20. And then 10. Okay, so I have 100, 200, 250, 270, 280. Perfect. 280. And the last one, I don't have too much in here. Actually, I don't even know if I could condense this one. 1, 2, oh, I could. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a $5 bill. So now I have $15, $16. I just started this challenge, so cool. All right, so that feels a lot better. All right, so that is all done. Now I'm going to calculate all this, make sure it is all correct in here. The fun part. So I should have $500 in here. Hopefully that all calculates out correctly. All right, so I have 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Okay, so that's 120. 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so far 3, 10. 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45, okay. So what do I have left? 55. Okay, so I should have 45 in here and ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Perfect. $500. Okay, cool. So that is all going back to the bank. This is my treat yourself money. So I have to figure out a way to like keep track of it, because right now I don't have a separate savings. It's all going into like my savings for everything else. But I'm gonna do like maybe a little tracker in my budget planner. I'll put it in here somewhere, because I already have $500 for Go Wild, which I'm saving for that. I'm actually gonna be pulling that soon, because I'm gonna be buying my ticket for this, and then this 500 is going for a treat yourself kind of item that I'm saving for. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.